Hey folks, today I'm gonna show you how to use Envoy Gateway's security policy to enable OIDC authentication and secure your backend app. This works with any standard OIDC provider, but for this demo, I'm using Amazon Cognito. I've already got Envoy Gateway installed in the cluster. Just use the Helm chart. Super quick setup. Envoy Gateway is running in the Envoy Gateway system namespace, and my application is running in the default namespace. Here's what I've set up. A gateway that listens on port 443 for HTTPS traffic. We also create our HTTPRoute that forwards requests to the backend service on port 3000. And most importantly, a security policy attached to that route. And inside that policy, we configure OIDC authentication. We provide client ID, a reference to a Kubernetes secret that holds the client secret, and issues URL, which you can grab that from the Cognito config page. That's all it takes. The YAML is super clean. It's less than 10 lines, and once applied, Envoy Gateway starts enforcing authentication. Okay, let's see it in action. When I open the app in the browser and I'm not logged in yet, Envoy Gateway automatically redirects me to the Cognito login page because this role requires authentication. And I log in with my credentials. Then Cognito sends me back to the app, and this time my request includes an ID token, a JSON Web token that proves my identity. Our gateway validates the token and forwards the request to the backend. In the whole process, the backend doesn't need to know anything about authentication, it just works. Now, let's look at the token itself. Here is an example returned by Amazon Cognito. You can see here every key value pair is called a key name. And we have some crucial user information here, like sub is the unique identity of the verified user, and the email is the verified user's email. We can use these names to build fine-grained access control for our application. Now, I'm gonna apply an authorization rule. In this security policy, I set the default action to deny. Then I add a rule that says, okay, only allow access if the token has the right sub and email. Since my ID token matches those values, I should get access. Let's try it. Yep, that works. Now let's change the rule and let's change the subclaim and try it again. Access denied. Perfect. So as you can see, with just one policy, we can get authentication and authorization handled completely at the gateway layer. Everything I used for this demo, the YAML, the script, it's all up on this GitHub repo. You can try this yourself in about 5 minutes. Thanks for watching and happy hacking.